Hi, and welcome to NEXD. I'm going to show you how you can create a survey ad with the NEXD Campaign Manager platform. But first, let's take a look at some of the ads you can create with our survey layout. You may ask why I should use such a layout? There are times when you want to interact with or get feedback from your customers. This is where our survey layout comes in. It offers you the opportunity to let the ad viewers answer a set of questions laid out by you. It's similar to how users can answer questions in Instagram stories, but NEXD allows you to do it also in programmatic advertising. Let's now move on, and I'll show you how you can create survey ads with us. The first step is to click Create New Campaign in the top right-hand corner. Enter your campaign's name and select Add Creatives. Click New Creative and name the creative. Next, let's select the ad type. The survey layout is available as standard in feed, interstitial, inner scroller, and expandable ad. This time let's start with the interstitial. Click Choose Layout. Scroll down or type in survey. First, let's start from the global block. These settings will be visible in all the survey states. Your global background can just be a color chosen under Edit Styles, where you can upload your own asset. It's best to use a solid background for the survey ad. You can insert the terms and conditions in a simple text format, but it can also be used as a click out to the landing page. If you want to add asset-specific click actions, go to the Click Actions tab, and insert your existing click-out URL here. Now let's design our intro screen. This screen is the first view for the ad viewers. Intro screen overlay can be uploaded as JPG, PNG, or SVG. I will upload the NEXD logo and reposition it. You can type in your intro screen text, and you have the possibility to choose the text color, size, and opacity. The next step is the Start button design. You have the possibility to change your button size and corner radius. With a corner radius, you can make your button shape more round. Choose your button color from the slider, type in your color code, or use our color picker tool to color your intro screen text. When your intro screen is designed, we can now move on to the questions part. Just so you know, the questions field can also have an overlay asset. Now, you can see the first question view of the survey, with a text field, and the option to choose your question type. The question can be either single or multi-selection. Single selection means that the ad viewer can select only one answer. Multi-selection means that the ad viewer can select multiple choices. For each question, you can add Other as a choice, where survey participants can enter their own text as an answer. You can ask up to 6 questions with each up to 6 choices. We also track and report how many times each question was seen, and how many times each answer was chosen. If your question answer includes personally identifiable information, like emails, names, or phone numbers, you need to tick this box, and use third-party trackers to save the choices users inserted. Collected answers can be found on your third-party platform, as we do not collect that kind of data. Question style can be changed by clicking on the Edit Styles button. When you're done with adding and designing your questions, let's move on to the end screen. The end screen has the same logic as the intro screen. A little trick you can do with both states is uploading your own fully designed asset for the intro and/or end screen. This way, you can use different fonts and design elements. Here I upload an already pre-designed asset for the end screen. You can always click through the preview to see how the survey looks. You have the option to change your controls text and style, how your next button and submit button are called and look like. We track and report all clicks and responses, but if you'd like, you can also add your own trackers to each answer. You can do it under the Asset Specific Tracking tab. If your creative already has traffic, click to Analytics button and see analytics about your campaign. If you want to know more about analytics, watch our video, How to Find the Campaign and Creative Analytics. Congratulations! You now know how to create survey ads with NEXD. If you need any help, feel free to reach out by using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or send an email to support@nexd.com.